Hello everyone, this is RJ Gautam Ramesh. In general, if we are doing some work or focus on our talents, then we need a kind of encouragement to reach the next level, right? People like us who have lot of support also sometimes need encouragement to achieve. Then think about marginalized people. They are authorized by the government but not accepted by the society. They also wanted to achieve in their fields. Then they need more encouragement than us, right? To encourage these marginalized people and to make standard life for them, Peacock Foundation is involving in various activities. As a part of such activities, small screen actors, small screen directors and Peacock Foundation have joined and conducted an event called Mr. and Mrs. Indian Culture 2019 last year. Many small screen actors, cinema producers have participated as special guests and encouraged all participants. In that event, a lot of male and female models have participated and moved to the next level in their fields. Like that event, this year also they have planned to conduct the event in the best way. This time they plan to conduct this event with a motto of join your hands for gender equality. Not only in India, but the whole world, I have never heard an event happened specifically for gender equality. In this event, both men and women are going to participate and trans men, trans women also going to give their participation. That's the speciality of this event.
திருநங்கைகளோட வாழ்வாதாரத்துக்காக நான் பயங்கரமாக போராடிட்டு இருக்கேன் ஒரு 4 இயர்ஸ். வெங்கடேஷ் சார் என்னோட 4 வருஷமாக பயணிக்கிறாரு. அவர் வந்து மீடியாவுக்கு சென்சிட்டேஷனாக சொல்லி நான் ஒரு 4 இயர்ஸாக வந்து தமிழ்நாடு ஃபுல்லாக மீடியாவுக்கு ஃபுல்லாக சென்சிட்டேஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். திருநங்கைகளை வந்து நீங்கள் அபசகுணமாக பேசக்கூடாது, திருநங்கைகளை வந்து நீங்கள் ரொம்ப வரவேற்கணும், திருநங்கைகளோட வாழ்வாதாரம் பெருகணும். தமிழ்நாட்டில் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்தது நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு தான். ரேஷன் கார்டு, சோஷியல் வெல்ஃபேர் போர்டு, தனி வீடு எல்லாமே கிடைச்சது. இதில் ஒரு பங்கு என்னுடைய பங்கும். நான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டிருக்கேன் அவங்களுக்காக. ஸோ இந்த சோஷியல் வெல்ஃபேர் போர்டில் 377 எடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஆனால் சட்டம் ஏற்றுக்குச்சு, சமுதாயம் ஏற்றுக்கலை. இது நல்லா நினச்சிக்கிங்க. இப்போ இன்றைக்கி இந்த 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 ஷோவை ஃபுல்லாக நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒன்று புரியும். எல்லாம் நினச்சிட்ருப்பீங்க ரொம்ப அழகாக பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படி இப்படிலாம் நினச்சிட்ருப்பீங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கு முக்கியமாக ஒரு பங்கு எடுத்துக்கிட்ட 10 சென்னித்திரை நட்சத்திரங்களுக்கு நான் ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்லிக்கிறேன்.
This event is planned to happen during the month of December 2020. If COVID-19 pandemic is over means this event will happen according to the planning. If not, the event may be postponed. This event will make a big culture change in our society. Not only in India, but the whole world is going to celebrate this tremendous change. Many good hearts from other countries are ready to give their support for our event. Tamil people from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand have confirmed their support for this event. Especially Ram Sharma from Singapore has given his strong support to our event. Every one of us wishes to involve in social activity during our free time. But Ram Sharma has dedicated his entire time for doing social work. Ram Sharma has a lot of attachment to society. He also has an extraordinary love for nature. In fact, Ram Sharma is involving in various environmental activities like planting trees, saving nature and more. Not only that, Ram Sharma is guiding sexual minorities in Singapore and Malaysia. He is trying to lift their standard of life. He voluntarily makes his presence in all social work happens around him. To show the value of Indian cultures, he is running an Sharma Indian Sculpture manufacturing in Singapore and Malaysia. He is doing sculpture work with least cost and good quality. He is doing extraordinary work in art, society, nature and many more. Now he has confirmed that he is going to give his full support to this event, which is organized by Small Screen Actors, Small Screen Directors and Peacock Foundation. This gives more confidence to conduct this event. One of his friends is going to perform Bharatanatyam dance in our event. Not only that, trans women from Malaysia have given their support to our event. Like them, trans women from Thailand also gave the assurance to give their support, and also they are going to perform Thailand's great and amazing dance at our event. And also, trans men from Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow have confirmed their availability for our event. These all support from them give more confidence and motivation for doing this event successfully. Like them, we are expecting a lot of support and participation from people all over the world. If you are giving your support means we can make this event to the next level. Come and join us. We all get together can make a big culture change. Thank you.